Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all keeping well. Now I was down at the Midwest Model Railway Show down in Limerick. I got speaking to Owen O'Neill. Many of you in the Irish team would know Owen. He's started some 3D printing. He is a modeler and he started coming up with some of his own ideas. So I got chatting to him and he's going to tell us about some of the things he's working on. Here with Owen O'Neill and he's going to tell us about some of his 3D printing work.
Hello everybody, so I'm here today in Limerick and these are my latest designs and project. It's a work in progress. They're Midland Great Western coaches. I have a first class, a third class, a first class guard van and a third class brake van, which I think also can be referred to as the bird cage. You can see them here. I've printed them in resin. So the crux of the design will be that centre axle pivoting. So that's something that I need to put a lot of work and thought into to get perfect. But I'm very happy overall with the level of the detail that came out in them for their first print from my designs. The other thing that I'm working on is the cement bubbles. So that's the very first test print that I ever did of a bubble, and this is the latest print I've done, and it's an actual single print, an all-in-one print. So you just simply have to add the wheels with the axle insert, which is my design as well. Because what I found with the resin was when you were putting in your axles or your wheels, it would snap the axle box. So I found that making something else to insert in the first place worked better with it, you know.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So I also incorporated that into my 12-ton brake design. So that's where it came from. So you can see the same here. There's a recess there for the axle inserts, because here is very fragile. It's very small, you know, and can break. The resin is very fragile. So they're my latest. So to go back in time, I've done signal cabin levers. These are my own design. These are in 00. And you can see the very, very good detail that came out in them in 143.5 or O gauge. So there's quite a lot of detail in them. The resin is fantastic for detail, but very unforgiving if the prints fail, because there's a lot of post work required with it.
Yeah.
Filament, on the other hand, if a print fails, it's a case of cleaning the bed, making sure the bed's level, making sure your filament's okay, press print and you off go again, you know. So here we have the Irish telephone box and the Irish pillar post box. This would have been one of my first designs that I did that actually got me into 3D printing properly. I put them up on Railway Modelers Ireland and somebody asked me, am I selling them? And I was gobsmacked to think that anybody would want to buy anything I designed. So I said yeah, and I sold my first product, and I think it was a phone box and a pillar post box. So basically, here's the start of what I got into 3D printing, and here's where I'm at the moment with the Midland Great Western coaches. I've also done a steam locos. This is the Bandon tank, which I did for people. I do an awful lot of work by request. So people will ask me, do you do this, do you do that? I'll design an awful lot of stuff. I'll design anything. Design is my draw, really. I love designing stuff, you know. So that's me. That's Owen O'Neill, 3D printing, 3D Cork.
All right, thanks very much, Owen. Any long-term subscribers to my channel would have seen a video, probably a couple of years ago now, where I put together one of your pylons.
You did, yeah.
Yeah, so that's the sort of thing he does. So do check him out. I'll just put those details up on the screen again.
Appreciate that.
And I'll put links down below for him as well.
Thanks very much.
Thanks very much, Owen. There we are. Thanks to Owen for chatting to me and showing me what he's working on. Big thank you to my channel members and patrons, whose names will be scrolling here. You got any questions or comments, put them down below. I'll also put a link to Owen's Facebook page down below so you can get in touch with him. I'll pop another couple of videos on the screen here, along with the subscribe button. If you can hit that for me, give me the thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.